Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Bond for wallpaper. First, ensure your walls are perfectly prepared. They should be clean, dry, and smooth, free from any old wallpaper or debris. Take the time to fill any small holes or cracks, as this will ensure a flawless finish. Gather your tools, including your Top Bond adhesive, a good quality paste brush or roller, a smoothing tool, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable measuring tape. Now, let's get to mixing and applying the Top Bond. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions, but generally, you'll mix 1 part adhesive with 4 parts water for a consistent paste. Once mixed, apply the adhesive evenly to the back of your wallpaper. Start from the center and work your way out to the edges, ensuring every inch is covered. This thorough application is crucial to prevent any frustrating lifting later on. With the adhesive applied, it's time to hang your wallpaper. Carefully align your first strip at the top of the wall, leaving a small overlap of about 2 to 3 centimeters for trimming. Use your smoothing tool to gently work out any air bubbles, moving from the center of the strip outwards. Once positioned, use your sharp utility knife to trim the excess wallpaper neatly at both the top and bottom, creating a perfectly clean edge. For the finishing touches, gently wipe away any excess adhesive from the wallpaper surface and seams using a clean, damp sponge. This prevents any shiny residue. Allow your newly hung wallpaper to dry completely, which usually takes between 24 and 48 hours. Avoid opening windows or creating drafts during this period. Finally, inspect for any tiny bubbles or lifted seams and gently press them down for a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.